Imagine a colossal meteor, the size of Mount Everest, traveling through space at over 60,000 kilometers per hour. An object so massive and so fast that, even before touching the ground, it would already begin igniting the sky. Millions would look up and see a fireball growing larger every second, as if the sun itself were falling toward the planet. Upon impact, it wouldn't matter where it hit. Entire cities would vanish instantly. The ground would shake like a global earthquake, and the sound of the explosion would echo around the world. The first consequence would be devastating. The shock would send so much material into the air that the sky would remain dark for months. Sunlight would barely penetrate the massive cloud of dust. Plants would stop photosynthesizing, forests would die, animals would vanish in large numbers, and the food chain would collapse. Oceans would boil near the impact site, and giant tsunamis taller than buildings would travel across entire continents. Humanity would be pushed to the edge of survival. Whole countries would fight for food, water, and shelter. Global temperatures would drop drastically, creating a post-impact winter. The world would fall into an era of darkness, cold, and scarcity. But not everything would be lost. Earth has already survived something similar. The event that wiped out the dinosaurs was caused by a meteor smaller than Everest. This means that, on some level, the planet would recover over time. The real question is, would humanity recover as well? Would we have the technology to survive? Underground shelters, artificial agriculture, renewable energy, all of this would be essential. Perhaps only a small portion of people would endure, and the planet would slowly begin to rebuild itself. An event like this could destroy civilizations, but it could also mark the beginning of a new humanity, stronger, smarter, and more aware of the planet it lives on. And here comes the final question. If a massive meteor were coming right now, do you think humanity should try to destroy it in space, or accept the impact and attempt to survive afterward?